it's not going to be perfect, but really teaching these women how to strategize, picking certain components of your meal and having it with every meal so that you are better balancing your blood sugars. But some other things that kind of go along with that are exercise, which, I'm a huge supporter of. But like strength training is extremely beneficial for women with PCOS. And not just implementing any sort of strength training, but implementing a type of exercise that you enjoy, because that's what's going to, we're here for the long haul. Like if you don't like the exercise you're doing, if you don't like the classes you're going to, or whatever it is, you're not going to be consistent with it. So including some strength training, and then managing stress levels, good sleep routines, some supplementation comes into there as well, because there are nutrient deficiencies that can be associated with PCOS as well. But yeah, just honestly, I take a whole like lifestyle kind of swap for people. So we look at a little bit of everywhere in your life.
I love it.